Oh, I forgot to mention this is a short shift. This has a short shift kit in it. I think it's a 034 or whoever made it before them, before they sold it to 034 or 034 Motorsports. So the throws are a little bit more reasonable, but they don't require a lot of effort at all. So it's not like some of those where you really have to manhandle it in there. I've had no problems with the design of that, and they're not known to be to reduce the throw by a ton, so maybe that's why I've never had problems. But supposedly you can get another kit for the transmission linkage that gives it a little shorter throw. I'll just give you a video of that. The original throws are pretty long, so it does help, and it is a nice feel. Yep, no problems.